Hello, mga padi, mga padi. My name is Yasno Jessica. Magkape, ako lang to. Represente. Ang pinili kasi dalawa na ko. SP5M. Something sweet. Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our lovely music. In my own world, with the living on, love like we're all about baby. You brought me out of the shade. You gave the world to me, and before I knew that I was so in love with you. Sakit sa bato ang isda sa tubig alat. You know why? Ladies and gentlemen, ito po ay ginawa ng ating Panginoon at wala naman po tayong karapat-dapat na sabihan at husgahan kung ito ba ay magkakasakit or hindi. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Hindi mo pwedeng gawin sa umaga. Ulit. Ano ang hindi mo pwedeng gawin sa gabi? Sorry. Ano ang pwede mong gawin sa gabi na hindi mo pwedeng gawin sa umaga?
Iyan ay napakahirap na katanungan. Ngunit para sa akin, ang isang bagay na maaari kong gawin sa gabi na hindi ko maaari doon sa umaga, ito ay sa aking opinion lamang, ay ang matulog. Sapagkat lahat po tayo ay natutulog ng gabi at kadalasan sa umaga po tayo nagigising. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Ang maloob ba ay pwedeng bayaran ng installment?
Sobrang kanya lamang one. As a Filipino, nakasanayan na natin na magkaroon ng utang na loob. Either sa ating tito at tita, sila yung nagpapaaral sa atin. At kapag nakapagtapos tayo, ang kapalit noon ay panghabang buhay na kapayaran. Binibigay natin o inaalay na lang natin yung buhay natin sa kanila. For in fact, if you are giving something to other people, then you should not ask for something in return. I would like to remind everyone that giving is not a debt. It is something that comes within your heart and it shouldn't ask for something as an exchange. Thank you so much.
Isang pal sa mukha mo, tsinelas o sapatos?
As an LGBTQIA+ community, I stand here today to uplift and empower and educate people. But the question is, ano nga ba ang gusto ko isang pal sa aking mukha, tsinelas lang ang sapatos? It was definitely slipper. Slipper is something that have a value. We live here in the Philippines, especially in Sorsogon City, with our heart, full of heart. But something that I was nakapal sa sabi ko kahit sinalas dahil ang sinalas na ito ay magaan lamang upang hindi masugatan ang ating mga mukha. And I think that if we can inspire other people to have a different, with a value different, we can have an amazing world sustainability, sustainable future. Because sustainability will always ensure the stability in our future.
Kapag may sumigaw ba ng sugod mga kapatid, susugod din ba ang kapuso o kapamilya? Again. Kapag may sumigaw ba ng sugod mga kapatid, susugod din ba ang kapuso o kapamilya?
Thank you so much for that very wonderful question. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, the number one realization that I have right now is that we should always promote inclusivity in our society. That regardless of your background, regardless of what community you belong, we should always be united as one. Most especially kung susugod tayo para sa ating karapatan, most especially kung susugod tayo para sa tama. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, whether you are a kapamilya, whether you are a kapuso, or whether you are part of the marginalized one, you are part of the LGBT plus community, if you know for yourself that you are fighting for what is right, then definitely sumugod ka at lumaban ka. Thank you and good evening.
Inclusivity. Who's your bet? Candidate number 1. And the Barangay Council.
Baka lost yan.